Look, if your spouse isn't your best friend, you're doing something wrong. Marriage ain't just about love, passion, or responsibilities, it's about partnership. Your spouse should be the person you trust the most, laugh with the most, and do life with. If that's not the case, you've got work to do. I'm Dr. Turpo, your marriage and relationship coach, and I've worked with couples who are struggling because they treat their spouse like a roommate or a coworker instead of a ride or die partner. Today, I'm going to break down why your spouse needs to be your best friend and how to build that unshakable bond. So let's talk about why should your spouse be your best friend? Trust and loyalty. You need someone who's got your back in all areas of your life. Laughter and fun. If you're not enjoying your time together, then what's the point if you're not enjoying life together? Emotional safety. You should feel 100% safe expressing yourself with your partner. And teamwork in life. Marriage is a lifelong partnership, and you need a strong teammate. And when you marry your best friend, you've already won the game. And when you don't, you're setting yourself up for just a lot of frustration. So, what is one of the biggest mistakes couples make? They let the friendship fade. They stop having fun, laughing, and connecting outside of responsibilities. They rely on other people, friends, coworkers, for emotional support instead of their spouse. Your best friend shouldn't be some dude at work or your homegirl from college. It should be your spouse. Now, let's take a look at what happens when you prioritize your friendship in marriage. Arguments become easier to solve. Best friends don't hold grudges. They work things out. You actually want to spend time together. Your spouse becomes your favorite person. You feel secure. No fear, no fakeness, just real love and connection. Your relationship lasts. Passion comes and goes, but true friendship keeps you together for life. So remember, passion fades, but friendship is the foundation that holds marriages together forever. My wife and I, we're best friends. I had a client who told me we love each other, but we don't even like each other anymore. That is a problem. When they focused on rebuilding their friendship, everything changed. So if you don't like your spouse as a person, fix that first before worrying about anything else. Now, let's talk about how do you build a best friend marriage. Number one, laugh together. Joke, be playful. Don't take life too seriously. Share hobbies. Do things together that you both enjoy. Talk about everything. Not just kids, work, or bills, real conversations. Be loyal. Your spouse should never question where they stand with you. Give that assurance. And date like you're still dating. Keep the friendship alive the way you did in the beginning. What you did to get someone, it takes to keep them. If your spouse ain't your best friend, put in the work to make it happen. It's a game changer. So just to recap, your spouse should be your best friend. If they're not, your marriage is missing its most important foundation. Build that connection, and everything else, love, passion, trust, will follow. Drop a comment. What's one thing you and your spouse do for fun together? Let's get some ideas flowing. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it.